Doug Crow with American Temperature Control Building Performance Solutions. We're in a customer's home in a crawl space with a horizontal furnace. We're here for preventive maintenance on the furnace and a professional tune-up. Here we already replaced one part that was leaking, the condensation trap. As you follow out the side of the furnace, this is the exhaust pipe that goes up and out the house. Looks like a nice installation, but in 14 years of preventive maintenance, no one's caught that it was not glued. There was no PVC primer or glue used. Potentially could fall apart with vibration and fill in a house with combustion gases, or worse, bad combustion, giving you carbon monoxide inside the house. Potential health hazard. If you have any questions about your furnace, give American Temperature Control Building Performance Solution a call at 847-428-4328. Thank you.